Oh, warning. If you are offended by opinions that might not be yours, then you're about to get offended.
Stay cool.
Yeah, that's right. Welcome to Asteroid Challenge Fight Club.
This is a Thor News presentation.
Doesn't matter what I believe.
Hit the button, baby. Thor News presents...
Ladies and gentlemen, with all the hype and tension around a possible asteroid strike sometime in late December, we will examine today at Godlike Productions at 11:13 a.m. on September 12th, 2015. Someone posted a thread on Godlike Productions. It was then quickly pinned by moderators. Classified NASA docs leaked pics. And oh, my ears perked up and I put my bedazzled tinfoil hat on. I was gonna look into this deep, deep mystery. I had this anonymous coward uncovered true classified NASA documents? Or were we being swindled by another doomsday hoax? A Canadian anonymous coward posted. This was uploaded by NASA by accident, but somebody got a screenshot. It's discussing the asteroid impact. Scary shit. And if you click on that tiny pic, it sends you to some documents. Oh crap. Is it fake? Is it not fake? Is it kind of fake? Kind of real? Alright, when I go, there's nothing. Upon first glance at the document, it does look like NASA's Near-Earth Object Program website. And it does say, this webpage is classified. Please refer to file 7566 of the Internal Classification Code for further category placement. The September 28th, 2015 asteroid impact is classified. I knew this was serious because they were aiming this information at the smartest people at NASA. They only had to tell them twice that this webpage was classified. Heck, all you had to do was click on their classified link to go to their classified page. But then as the document went on, oh shit, polar bears with chainsaws, now we're effed. Houston, we have a problem. Actually, that should be Houston, you have a problem. Because the asteroid was reported to hit in the Gulf of Mexico, sending a 250-foot tidal wave over Paul Wall and the entire city of H-Town. We should all be bumping this constantly until debunked. Look at it closely. It's been erased and rewritten. Fail. It isn't real. Look at it closely. It's been erased and rewritten. Fail. It isn't real. Interesting. I hadn't looked at it very closely. Yeah, okay. It's a fake. And then Godlike Productions residential amateur astronomer, Dr. Astro, also known as Astro Mutt, showed up to calm the kids down. It's a photoshopped or HTML edited copy of this page showing a fictional impact scenario. Guys, this impact is for September 2020. Tell me again, top secret classified info on a website? Really? It's fake. Ugh. Go somewhere else with your obsessive doom mongering. Are you new here? No. It looks like someone is having fun with Photoshop. Wait, I'm a Photoshop expert. Maybe I can find some hidden clues to hoaxery that other people wouldn't find. So I had to take a second look. Let's go back and see if we could find any clues. So I decided to actually take the time out and read it to see if I might find any clues that it was fake. At the 2015 IAA Planetary Defense Conference to be held, this asteroid is a totally serious threat. We spotted it with the Hubble yesterday, and then we all cried. Seriously, WTF asteroid defense such a low priority? $10 billion for the James Webb Telescope, but we only spent 3 Buffalo nickels a year on protecting civilization from dangerous space rocks? Somebody ask Bill Nye WTF to do. That guy knows everything. And tell Astromut not to confirm this. Tell Astromut he must debunk this at GLP so people don't get to the bunkers before me. Got it, dickweed? Wait, A, I don't actually think NASA has spent a total of 3 Buffalo nickels a year on asteroid defense. B, everybody knows real scientists are totally jealous of science communicators, so no good scientist would say that Bill Nye knows everything. And C, scientists aren't cool enough to call people dickweeds. You got it, dickweed? So I'm starting to think this is fake. And I also noticed, if you stared at it long enough, it was a GIF that flashed boobies where classified used to be. But then I thought, maybe once this article had been released, they put boobies there to distract people. Little head fake. Then Astromutt chimed in and said some tard in his mom's basement gains by satisfying his attention whoring for 15 minutes. I knew when this hypothetical scenario came out that one of you tards was going to try to claim it was actually real. That's why I preemptively took pictures of the fake asteroid's position months ago. Well, hey, Dr. Astro, being a scientist, a detective, and a screenwriter, I like to imagine all possibilities. And maybe it wasn't some guy in his basement trying to give people a fear sickle to suck on. Maybe it was someone at Godlike Productions who came out with the article to drive traffic to their site. I did happen to notice it's by an anonymous coward. I did happen to notice it has been the most successful post of the day. I did happen to notice it got a moderator's pin. So you follow the money and say, who really wins in this scenario? So you follow the money and say, who makes money in this scenario? And I'm guessing GLP, or Above Top Secret, or Lunatic Productions. They all have their residential, semi-pro, semi-amateur astronomers there, ready to debunk any fools who might bring a conspiracy to a conspiracy site. Yeah, I know that sounds weird, because it is. But you can ask Phage, or Dr. Astro, if they protect conspiracy sites from conspiracies at all costs. And the truth is they do. So I guess there'd be a conspiracy in there if you really want to look for it. All I'm saying is to you figure out who did it and why. I don't think it's best to basement shame those who've been hit hard in this economy. You know? Okay, stop changing the date. First it was Y2K. Then it was December 2012. And now it's 9/23. The world will end on 9/23. You can't change the date until then. Got it? And it does look like this page might have been taken from an official program for a hypothetical, theoretical, approaching asteroid for kind of like a pretend drill. This is how NASA chose to spend its 3 wood nickels this year, I guess. You know, when I look back at the page, I'm definitely thinking it's not real. First of all, by NASA, it says, nobody asks stupid answers. That don't even make no damn sense. And then the page is entitled Extinction Level Event Memo. Like, you got an extinction level event coming and you just gonna hand somebody a memo? Also, do you really think a scientist would write the line, Renee M. and Lynn Lee is right? We got big asteroid problems, people. I ain't buying that. My $3 bill detectors are going off. Also, when I looked at it again, by NASA it said, never a straight answer. And I don't think that's what NASA stands for. Officially. Also, down in the middle, it says, this webpage is classified. This website was not created by Godlike Productions to generate traffic to their awesome.com, which sounds kind of suspicious, you know? Or maybe that's NASA's double fake trying to throw us off. I'll get to the bottom of that. Okay, so when I go down the page, like down here, it says, very little is known about the object's physical properties. It is shaped like a big space nipple, and it's the second pinkest thing I've ever seen. Though tragic for mankind, this asteroid may prove science's theory that milk comes from deep OART comets from the far outer spaces. Wow. I didn't know they had a milk comet theory. That sounds as stupid as their water comet theory. You know what I'm saying? At discovery, the asteroid is kind of hauling ass and kind of taking its time. So, ... Yeah, I don't think that's how people really write extinction level event memos. Well, I could be wrong. I've never really read an official one. And nobody lets me see classified data because I have a YouTube channel and I talk a lot. And then I think the last page sold it for me. Xi and Zeta are classified. Lat and Elon are redacted. Fel is the velocity at impact in KMS. AZ and L are top secret Pope level. What does that even mean, man? Pope level? UT time is the UTC time of the impact date, 2015, September 28. Hashtag seems legit. Oh, come on, man. Like, what scientist is gonna hashtag seems legit an extinction level event memo? And then that final warning at the bottom, do not put on interwebs. Come on, man. You know. Oh, wait, that page just got Twitter verified. Maybe it is real. Whoa. Okay, now, the very first page now has verified credentials. But it also has a Sesame Street Homeland Security Advisory System color-coded Sesame Street bar. So something is definitely rotten in Denmark. A question for Dr. Astro. Very hypothetical. Suppose you discovered an earthbound object. After numerous observations and calculations, you determined a high probability of Earth impact. Who would you contact? Would you mention it here? Astro said, I'd post it here and send the discovery details to the Minor Planet Center. Hey, Astro, I think that's illegal. I think if you find any near-Earth objects, you're supposed to alert proper authorities first, and then they will alert the public. And I know you were the type of guy that always likes to follow the rules. It's poorly constructed. Well, Dr. Astro is denying it and debunking it, just like the classified redacted document said he would do. So, I don't know. Back on the fence. Seriously. Which brain-dead mod pinned this BS? I don't know, man. Maybe the one who likes to make money off his website? Phil Plait quickly denied this and said it was a total hoax, answering De La Rue's tweet of, "Should I be scared that this asteroid is going to kill me?" And Phil Plait said, no, you should be scared of climate change. Climate change will kill you. And your 500 days of climate change chaos, slack, or almost over. So much LOLs. I don't know, dude. That's what I do. I tell you the truth, and I give you the data. And so, these bogus doom stories keep rolling around, which I find odd and strange. Okay, great. Well, that concludes another fine and fascinating Asteroid Fight Club meeting. I think we all learned something. There almost ain't nothing stupider than a fake asteroid. I put my heart and soul into my videos. And if you would like to help support the Thor News video artistic style, please feel free to donate to my fundraiser, taking Thor to the next level. And pick up a t-shirt while you're at it. They're super cool. And if you would like to help support the Thor News video artistic style, no holds barred, shoot from the hip, tell it like it is, or how I understand it to be, with a lot of the truth on the top, between the lines, and sugar-coated with a whole lot of humor. And let's be honest, the truth tastes horrible these days. Stay cool. God bless everyone.